money on my mind, money on my mind. What's on your mind is money on your mind. Yeah, I'm on my grind, yeah, I'm on my grind. Clock in, clock out from 9 to 5. Clock in, clock out like a 9 to 5.
What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I apologize for my voice, man. I don't know what happened on Friday. I was doing some recording, and I wasn't really like shouting or like that. I was just, doing my regular recording because you guys heard my music. I don't like scream or anything crazy in my songs. But I was like recording for like an hour, maybe a little bit over. And after that, the next day, I only did like half first. I got this new song that I'm working on actually for this local business. It's pretty much is a barber song or whatever, for waivers and stuff like that, and barbers, the one barber specifically. And I was working on the song for, and after I finished recording, the next day, my voice was gone. So actually no, later that evening my voice was gone. So I'm not sure how that happened, but it's actually Sunday now. I know I was supposed to give you guys a video, but it's actually Sunday now. So now I'm about to go ahead and finish doing the turbo stuff, mock up the new turbo, clock it, put it on, possibly, hopefully start up the car. I left the battery at work so it could charge, and I forgot to pick it up, but I do have another battery here, so hopefully I can just put that battery on my Camaro, let it charge it up a little bit, and then I can go ahead and turn this car on. Sorry, I'm gonna push my car back a little bit because I need some space. If you're wondering what's going on with my voice, that's why I sound like a 13-year-old boy going through puberty right now, because my voice is just so messed up. So I'm not sure how much I'll be actually talking in this video, because I'm pretty sure my voice sounds horrible and it's probably gonna get hella annoying. And it also sucks because I actually finished writing the song, and so I'm gonna get my tripod, my tripod. I actually finished writing the song, and I can't record it. I actually recorded it, but it sounds horrible because of my voice, and it sounds like there's another person on the song. So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and finish mocking up this turbo and things and button it all up and go from there. And I also took a trip to O'Reilly's, and sorry I'm not going to do unboxing, but here was the other part for my Camaro. So good to go. So that goes in the back on the spoiler. This is the box that it came in. I showed you guys in the last video. So I'm actually going to be trying to mock up that today. I went to Harbor Freight. So hopefully this drill is not crappy. And this was only like about $24. They had one for $19.99 that just came with the drill, but it was a plug-in one. And this one was only $24. So from $19 to $24 it's cordless, and also it has a flashlight. So I mean, I was like, might as well. It comes with a flashlight. Might as well spend the extra money and get it. Sorry, but yeah, I was like, I'll spend extra money and get it. And I also got some drill bits, kind of to drill into my spoiler, so I can use the rivets that came with the kit. Okay, with the stuff, there's these rivets in here, so I got to drill a hole and rivet it in. So that I also got a rivet gun, and I also got some washers, and these have this has lock washers in it, so that way. Sorry, I thought it was all on focus. So my bad, I thought it was all on focus, but yeah, lock washers. Here's the splitter rods, and yeah, and it's got some other bolts and stuff just in case. I'm actually gonna put I'm gonna put some thicker bolts when I actually put the lip on with the lock washers, because I want to make sure that this thing does not come off. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead right now, just mock up the turbo and go from there. I'll probably just time lapse this because I really don't want to do too much talking, and yeah, like it low-key kind of hurts to talk, but I didn't want to take too long to give you guys this video, so here it is. So if you guys enjoy this, and hopefully all goes well with this, man. I feel really shitty right now, y'all. Really shitty. Okay, as I'm sitting here sweating my ass off, after a few hours of trying to put this on, I'm sure I got here, so I have to use. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around like this. Actually, I had to use the pole for my jack so I can keep the exhaust out the way, so I can actually put the turbo on the manifold. That was a pain. You're probably wondering why didn't I put on one at once? Well, it was kind of heavy, and these screws I have to actually put in with the manifold. It's not like they have like the little bolt part that sticks out. I don't have that on here, so that was a pain. And I finally got the turbo on, as you can see. Turbo's on, but you know with me, there's always an issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this cover on. There we go. All right, so I was clocking the turbo. That's where my feed goes, which is not a problem. It's supposed to sit like this at the 12. But then you can see that the turbo is actually pointed up. So let's try to give you guys a good angle at this. It's kind of pointed up a little bit. Not sure how bad that is, but in order for it to go to the turbo, it has to sit like, going to the intercooler, it has to sit like this. And now my feed is not at the 12 o'clock. So that's one issue I'm having. I know I could probably take out these bolts and then just put it and then just turn this a little bit, possibly. I believe I can do that. Actually, no, I think this is going to a certain thing. I don't think I can do that. Okay, anyway, for another day, because that doesn't even matter right now. The thing that matters is this is my oil return. This is the bolt. Look how big. That's not going to work. So yeah, I run into my next problem. It's always something. So now I can't even put on the oil feed onto the new turbo. So I'm gonna call it quits for now. I'm never gonna get to the Camaro today. I'm just so tired. I'm sick, man, and I just feel like shit, honestly. And I'm burning up, and I'm just done with this car for right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this out. I'm about to lower the car back down, push it back in my garage so I can close my garage door, and I'm gonna go in the house. And I still have this big old, but I'm gonna show you guys this big old oil mess. Oh my gosh. So the freaking oil feed, the oil return line was pointed down, and I got a big old mess of oil under the car. So yeah, and you know what? I'm not gonna get to that today because I'm sweating. I feel like crap. It's just all bad right now for your boy. All bad. I feel terrible. I sound terrible. As bad as my voice sounds, I feel like a whole lot worse physically. And I'm like, I don't have any energy. I'm like trying to force energy out. You know what I'm saying? So it makes it look like I'm naked. I got shorts on. My bad. But I'm just really I'm done for today. I should have just actually worked on the Camaro, but at the same time, I can't even work on the Camaro until I finish this car, because not to be able to move this car out the way. So yeah, unless I want to work in that sign, which I don't. So I'll go ahead and, sorry guys that I couldn't give you guys, I know you guys are waiting for me to actually finish this up and I can get it going, but now I have to wait and order, or not order, but at least go to the store and see if they have any like plumbers, piping, feeds, or whatever the heck. I'm pretty sure I can find that piece at like Home Depot or something, but I'm just not gonna go today. I'm not going today. I feel like really, really bad, and I don't know if you guys can tell how much I'm sweating. And this girl is hot as hell. So I'm gonna come back in here because my feet are trying to get to sausage links. But yeah, your boy's like sweating real bad. I just feel, so, another day for this car. It wouldn't be as bad if I had some help, because then, you know, I wouldn't have to use so much energy to do all this stuff. but I don't have any help. And now I'm exhausted. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Even though I didn't get nowhere on there, but at least I got the turbo on. You know what I'm saying? But we're closing shop, boy. I'm closing shop, boy. Look at that. I thought I was playing. I'm not finishing this video today. I'm gonna die out there. Like, share, subscribe. Another day for this turbo, man. It's a pain. I'll see y'all later. Well, next time I come on, my voice gonna be better, cause man, forget this. I'm done.
See, crush. I'm out here trying to get it. I'm trying to get a check. Check out my wrist, check out my neck. Okay. These niggas really mad and they be talking shit. Okay. And your nigga mad cause I just took a bitch. I'm out here trying to get it, I'm out here trying to win. Okay. How the saying go, man, get it how you live. I'm out here trying to get it, I'm out here trying to win. Okay. How the saying go, man, get it how you live. Okay. I just put money in the bag.